How to add Calendly to your WIX website. So right here from your WIX dashboard, you want to click on edit site right here to go to your website editor. And then right here on your website editor, you want to make the section for Calendly. Right here, choose add section. And then first you want to go to Calendly. On Google, you want to type on Calendly and choose this calendly.com. You want to click on it. And then right here, after you log into your Calendly, you want to go to event types and make your own event. I have here this 30-minute meeting. I want to copy the link and then go back to your WIX editor. And then right here on WIX editor, you want to choose this plus button on add elements. And then on the search bar, you want to click on search bar. And you want to search for HTML. You want to click enter. And then right here, you want to choose on embeds right here. And then right here on popular embeds, you want to click on embed HTML. And then right here on what do you want to add, you want to choose on website address, not the code. And you want to paste the link from Calendly. Click paste and choose on apply. And then after that, you want to click on it on the HTML and then click on this stretch button and click on stretch to full width. You want to turn this on and you can customize the Calendly, the length and the width. There you go. So people can do a booking to your website. And then you can choose to preview it. And then there you go. Now people can do a booking in your website. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.